Yes, Bidesh, start. Bidesh, am I audible to you? Bidesh? Bidesh, can you hear me? Hello? Ritik, Pritesh, Yashraj, can you hear me, guys? Okay, I think. Can you hear me? Hello?
Sir, now can you hear us?
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay,
Yes,
go,
sir,
go
sir,
ahead.
please, brother.
Yeah, Bidesh, go ahead. Start.
In this picture, we find it's early morning when we find Ravi is getting the newspaper from outside. Meanwhile, Ravi's father is watching the cricket match on the TV, and Ravi's mother is sewing a cloth out of wood. Ravi's sister is talking to someone on the telephone, and the cat is sleeping while everyone is enjoying the morning. Ravi's father, we can also observe that Ravi's father is smoking at this time. So, mostly this much we can see.
Okay.
What else can I say?
You can
Um,
you can say a lot of things because you will find out lots of objects are present in the home room.
You can say that like a Ravi's father is watching a cricket match on the TV. You said only watching the TV.
Okay.
yeah, I said the cricket match. I said cricket. He said cricket match. He said cricket.
I need at least 2 to 3 minutes, right? Um, you have to speak about every object present in the room, right? No need to speak only means who the people who are present in the room, right? And what they are doing. You also speak that so many books are there in the wardrobe, and above the wardrobe there was a there is a beautiful, yeah,
Above the TV, there is a beautiful painting.
yeah, and the boy
Sir,
who,
like we should not discuss too much, or we will get others to chance for skipping.
no, you need to speak. Actually, the thing is that we understand that how many things you can observe inside the room, and what how you can describe to them. It's a very important. It's a colorless picture. You can say that. So the thing is that why the lots of objects are kept here. Now, because it allows the students to speak each and every object, and also present a kind of a means good observation, right? That's what. Okay, I'll come to next to Nityam. Please go ahead.
I'm actually still writing this one.
I'll tell you when to write. After completion of this, you can write also.
Okay, sir. This scene takes place in a living room at 8 a.m. in the morning. The mother is knitting. The father is smoking while watching cricket on the television. The girl is talking to someone on the telephone, and the boy is getting back newspaper for his father. Everyone is busy with their morning routine, whereas the one who is being lazy is the cat sleeping in front of the TV. For that much.
Okay.
Sir, I will say.
Yeah, Aryan.
It is a picture in which it is shown the morning duty of some of a family. Rama's father is smoking while watching a TV, and his mother is knitting a sweater. Rama is bringing the newspaper outside his house, while his sister is talking to her friend on the telephone. The cat cat is sleeping in front of the TV, and there is a beautiful painting above the television. A very beautiful and big flower pot is on the top of the bookshelf. So this much I know.
Okay, Sai, can you? Sai?
Sir, I am not in the dialogue conversation.
No, first you talk about the picture composition which is presented before you.
Sir, that's fundamental. First, then I will.
Okay, Pritesh, can you speak? Pritesh, can you speak on this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you speak
Yes,
on
sir.
this? Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, after Videsh, I will tell you.
Go ahead.
Videsh has already said.
Pritesh, go ahead.
Okay, sir. In this picture, the mother is knitting and the father is smoking and watching cricket match on the TV, and the boy is taking newspaper for his father, and the girl is talking in telephone to someone else, and the cat is sleeping. And the cat is sleeping, and then in the table there is a flower pot. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, Smriti.
Can
There is also a beautiful painting in the wall.
Okay. Srishtiman, can you?
Yes, sir. In the screen, we can see a photo where where the family is doing their own work. Like you can see that the father's son who is holding a newspaper and who is holding a newspaper and going to read it. And in beside you can see it. Beside you can see the father's daughter who is calling to his friend for the party. And the main point you can see that the father who is drinking their coffee,
Okay.
and the mother who is
Knitting. Knitting.
yes sir, yes sir.
Knitting. Knitting or weaving.
System, sir, I don't know
Knitting or weaving? Knitting or weaving?
this.
Knitting or weaving, we can tell.
And also you can see they have a cat who is sleeping under the table. And their fan is working. And they have already drink their cold drinks. And they have kept banana for their they have kept a banana they have kept many bananas for their monkey.
Who is laughing? Is it Nityam?
Mr. Sai.
Okay. Sai, go ahead. Now,
And I said beautiful picture composition.
okay. Sai, you are the next. Go ahead. Sai, are you there?
Yes, sir. I was just on.
Go ahead.
In this picture, it is a common holiday of the summer family. Mrs. Sharma was knitting a sweater for his son, and Mr. Sharma was enjoying the show with juices and by smoking. and Vijay was bringing a newspaper from the outside to for her father, and her sister was talking and posting with her friend, and their pet was sleeping um, sleeping near the TV. This much.
Okay. Anyone
Sir,
left?
I
Yes.
wondered,
Yeah.
sir, what is the boy's name?
Bijay, Bijay. He said Bijay.
Sir, sir,
Okay,
when, when he was saying Vijay is bringing father, means
Vijay is bringing
bringing,
newspaper for
Vijay
his
is bringing
father.
her. Sir, sir, he said for her father.
Okay, no issue. Grammar mistake is occurred.
Sir, can I tell again?
In spoken English,
You
we
already said
generally
na? Why are you
uh, in spoken English we generally avoid grammatical mistakes. So there are you will find out that the huge mistakes people do, right, or students do while they speak. So the thing is that we somehow means ignore that part, right? Because he is trying to develop his speaking ability, right? It's good that you are observing those of the things, right? And you are trying to means correct it also. Fine. Let me guys tell you what are your faults. Your faults are the first thing is called as you have not a single guy gave the introduction nor greetings, right? Nobody said hello, good evening, I'm so and so. And here we find out a picture which we supposed to describe. So in this picture, this is a beautiful picture about uh, Mrs. Sarma and his family. Mr. Sarma and his family. As far as we can see in this picture is completely a colorless, black and white. So the picture represents a Sunday morning, right? This picture represents it is the means end of the week, Sunday morning. So everybody is present at home. So Mr. Sarma, Mrs. Sarma, and their son and daughter. So as far as means it is the holiday, so everyone is at home and everyone is doing his or her activities. So Mr. and Mrs. Sarma, they are sitting in the dining room where Mr. Sarma is watching a cricket match as it is the Sunday and the match is going on. So he loves watching cricket. So that's why he's sitting um, in a couch or called as he's sitting in means a comfy sofa and he's watching cricket. So at the same time, it seems like they all have taken their breakfast, except the boy, the son. So it seems like he went outside for jogging as he used to do every day. So and he enters the room with the newspaper. Um, so as far as we can see also means Mr. Sarma uh, uh, is somehow called as a very professional one. So he wears a t-shirt with a means jeans and holding a cigarette whose smoke is also uh, seen clearly here. So and at the same time he also has his uh, coffee which is on the table. And Mrs. Sarma, who is uh, weaving the sweater as it is the winter season. So that's why means uh, she is habituated with the weaving and tailoring. So that's what she is doing. And it seems also very fine that she feels comfortable in her chair and she just concentrate on her weaving part. Mr. and Mrs. Sarma means have a daughter so who is somehow called as in her middle age. She is talking over her talking over the phone to her friend, and she looks also somehow smiling in posture. So at the same time, means it seems like Mr. and Mrs. Sharma and their family uh, loving with the books which are kept a lot in the shelf. On the shelf, a beautiful flower vessel is also present. Um, and as it is the morning time, it seems like 8 o'clock. Uh, that indicates about they have completed their breakfast. Um, so they all are present. The uh, the window is also completely opened, and uh, the beautiful sun rays enters the room, and one part of the window shelf is opened and one part is covered, and the curtains are beautifully decorated and uh, hang in a particular position. The door is opened, and Bijay with his newspaper entering. So as means it is somehow called as a little bit hard. So that's why means they also uh, use the fame. They do have also one of the pet, uh, whose name can be called as a lily. So that is sleeping on the floor and simply in front of means the television. So above the television, so there is a beautiful painting which is indicating about the valley and the lake and some of the trees, and next to it the switch, so which is clearly indicating when anyone enters the room. So first he or she switch on the light, so then after the room is lit and they can means uh, or he or she can go to any of the room, right? So uh, nearby that window, so there is a beautiful there is a one of the spacious places there where magazines and newspapers are kept. This shows that they all are enjoying their holiday uh, with a with a vibrant manner, uh, because it is the day when they all means stay together at home. So this is all about the picture composition. Thank you. So you observe that how much time you are taking for speaking this picture composition. It's not about that four of the members. It's all about that how beautifully you describe, how each and everything you observe carefully, how each and everything you can present it. If somebody asks me also to speak on this topic for 1 hour, we can speak, right? We can speak. So obviously, I did not say you.
Sir, how will you speak for 1 hour about this picture?
I can. You
Sir,
can.
Sai left the meeting.
See, anyone can. Only thing is called as you need to go depth into the picture. You need to go depth into the picture and you observe each and everything. You can also imagine a lot of things and you can speak. And even I think Bidesh can also speak, Nityam can also speak, and everyone who has present here, they all can speak, right? Okay, fine.
Sir,
Now,
Sai left the meeting.
Sai left the meeting.
Yes.
Okay, no issue. Uh, yep. Now I just want uh, one of you to uh, choose. Sorry, I just want like out of this two dialogue conversation, one of you, one of the dialogue conversation you chose and you write onto it. Okay, Sai, are you there?
So I have chose. So I'm choosing the first one, the one with the teacher and students.
Very good. And you are talking with whom?
Sir, same.
Okay, Nityam
Sir,
and
same.
okay, Nityam and Bidesh, you both will speak on this first dialogue conversation. Now,
Sir, you said we both will not be asleep, but now only you are placing us
okay,
us
okay, no
both
issue,
in
no
one
issue.
team.
Ritik, are you there? Ritvik, are you there? Ritvik, are you there?
Yes, sir, he is there,
Ritvik,
but he is muted.
Ritvik, are you there? Okay, no issue.
Ritik Roshan. He's there but not listening.
Okay, Sai, you and Prithis. So, Sai, you and Prithis will speak on the this dialogue conversation, the first one again, right? And
Sir, I have to choose the second one.
you chose the second one, very good. Then you need to speak with whom? Let's say Pritish. Pritish and you both will speak, give a dialogue conversation
Sir,
on
I have
this.
also choose the second one. Sir, I want, sir, could you please decide between me and Sujan?
Okay, okay. Start with the.
Sir, we can decide with our.
Okay, let's start with the
Sir,
biggest.
I will be the teacher. Sir, let me be the teacher.
Sir, I will the first part dialogue conversation.
Okay,
Student
okay.
teacher.
No issue, no issue. Let me start with the Nityam and Bidesh. Nityam and Bidesh, start.
Sir, I have chosen second one.
Okay, okay.
Teacher, speak.
Yes, sir, just a second. Videsh, check your WhatsApp.
In my WhatsApp, you have written Bhaivi team.
No, I'm sending you a link.
What will I do in link?
Take it. Read the
Make it
Student
quick,
part.
guys.
See, Godha.
Ah,
yes, sir. Videsh, I'm beginning. Please, students, need any help?
Arey, wait, just a minute. I can't find my part only. Can you send it to me on the other number?
Wait.
Sir, this Susan is a very irritating person.
make it quick, guys.
Yes, sir, just.
Videsh, you're ready?
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Hey, students, need any help?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can't get the answer to the square equation. The three of us are getting different answers.
Okay. Well, you forgot the board mass step.
Ma'am, it's too difficult to remember.
Well, the easiest way to remember is to break it down into smaller parts. Bodmas, when broken down, is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In any equation, it starts from brackets and ends with subtraction with the order I had stated it in. I hope it helps.
Wow, thank you, madam.
Welcome.
So here, Bidesh has very less role. Means, very few dialogues.
Sir, actually, he skipped a bit.
Okay. Now I just ask Sai, you to.
Sir, I was confused. Sujan is a teacher. Sir, I was confused. Sujan is a ma'am or sir?
No, I forgot.
Stop. Sai, can you please start? Sai with Pritesh.
Sir, in a minute.
Sai with Pritesh. Wait a minute.
Me and Sai is the first picture or second picture?
This picture, first picture.
Sir,
I am ready with the second.
Okay, second one. Go for it.
He is telling that
Go ahead, go
I
ahead.
is telling that second picture.
Okay, please prepare with the second picture. Yes, I start.
Okay, sir.
Sir, with whom?
With Pritish.
Sir, wait, I have to prepare for the second picture.
Okay, Srishtiman, you are prepared? Srishtiman, you are prepared?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you talk with your partner Sai, right? And go ahead.
Sir, before the start, sir, could you tell us how did I and Sritam did?
You did well, but I find Nityam speaks more than you.
Yes, sir, I thought it could be a random means conversation, but suddenly he gave me the script from nowhere. I got confused. I was writing the script. Why? Yes, sir,
Sir, will we start?
Continue.
Yeah, start.
Where did you take the photo?
I took the photo when we had gone to foreign trip to Bhutan.
Sir, Srishtiman's voice is echoing very much.
There is so much greenery also that.
Yeah, the atmosphere was very clean there as it was carbon negative country due to their large amount of trees.
It must be beautiful there.
Yeah. Yeah, it was very much beautiful.
But it hadn't remember those days as I was small. So this much. So this much.
Okay. Go ahead. Yeah, okay. Who is the next one? Ritik, are you there?
Sir, I think he just left.
Recently only left.
Sir, I will be speaking the
Yeah. Who is the next? Who is the next? Who have not spoken?
Sir, I have not spoken
Yeah.
here, but Ritvik has left.
Okay, no issue, no issue.
Sir, Ritvik has left.
Okay, let him leave. So yes, Aryan, you talk with Pritish. Pritish, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Aryan, start the second dialogue
Sir, I
conversation.
will be talking about the first one.
Okay, first one. Go ahead.
So second dialogue.
Who will first?
No, 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 no. First. Go ahead, go ahead.
Good morning. I'm the teacher. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How were the holidays? Did you have a nice time?
Yes, we have a nice day and we enjoyed.
That's excellent. Right about your vacation. Where did you go?
Okay, madam.
I hope you gave some time to your studies during the vacation.
Yes, I also studied during the vacation.
That's good. Have you finished the work which I had asked you to do?
Yes, I have finished.
Very good. And please let me know if you need some more explanation about the last chapter I taught you.
I didn't understand.
And let me know if you need some more explanation regarding the last chapter I taught you. So this much only. So mine is this much.
Okay.
I
Fine, guys.
want to know. I have.
Sir, why was he telling me, ma'am? I thought I will say it to Semi sir, but he started telling us, ma'am.
Okay. So fine, guys. That's all for the today's soft skill part. We will have a kind of a means huge discussion in the next class, right? And we will talk about more about it. And please do listen to the dialogue conversation which I have given. And please do remember, you need to write each one, his or her. Means each one has to write the dialogue conversation, each one has to write the picture composition and send it to me in my WhatsApp number, right? That's all for the day. We'll meet in the next class. Please do listen to the Easter holiday with family and observe that how the picture is described. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.